Yeah, we have help on the way. Have they gotten there yet?
There's one person that's been shot. Hundreds of people just running around.
We're clear. We'll get Red Cross out your way as soon as possible.
We are worried about medical emergencies at this time.
Convenience. Move everything to a fire ground for further details.
It's not whether or not something catastrophic will occur, it's when. The 10 million people who live in Los Angeles County may not be aware of the safety network gaps that currently exist between police, fire, medical, and state, federal, and local resources. And the gaps are simple. We don't have a single communication system. Thus, the Los Angeles Regional Interoperability System will better protect people in Los Angeles who have to be exposed to any kind of disaster, whether it's earthquake, fire, or terrorist act, including civil disturbances.
At the present time, there are 34,000 first responders representing 50 different police agencies and 31 different fire agencies throughout the county of Los Angeles. Those 81 different departments operate on a number of different radio systems. And the effort here is to bring them all into a single radio system so that if an incident begins anywhere, any first responder from Los Angeles County can operate on a single radio system and in essence coordinate their efforts. I started with the Sheriff's Department in 1967. My first experience in the radio car, I found that there were 2 radio frequencies covering the entire county. Today, there are literally hundreds of channels just for the Sheriff's Department. Each one of those channels covers a very, very small segment of the county. As we roll from one jurisdiction to the other, we have to be able to seamlessly maintain that communication.
When we have major events in this region that we're known for floods, earthquake, wildland fires, so we sometimes have hundreds of different fire agencies, municipal fire departments, state agencies, federal agencies that all come to this region to provide care and first response and protection to the citizens in Los Angeles County, but they all come here in different frequencies. So if we had LA RICS and we had a platform that we can consolidate and have all of our first responders and secondary responders speak to one another on the same platform, it would be a better service to our citizens and improve safety to our responders.
When we think first responders or emergency response, we often think of police, fire, but it's not just these departments that need to work together. It's all departments, it's all our agencies. Public Works is a safety first responder. We work side by side along with Share and Fire. And during the 2009 station fire, Public Works worked with the fire department in order to clear the roads so that emergency vehicles could put out the fire. And in fact, I remember receiving a call in the middle of the night requesting approval. Could one of our trucks go in and clear the road so that the fire department could go in and retrieve their fallen comrades? It takes a coordinated multi-agency effort to respond effectively. And LA RICS is really a platform that's going to provide a way for all these agencies to communicate in a seamless manner and be most effective in our response and ultimately save lives.
This is not a difficult task. The only thing that makes it difficult is people are unwilling to support what we're attempting to do. I have complete confidence that once we have the Los Angeles Regional Interoperability System in place, we will be the finest example of emergency response preparedness than any other part of the nation.